Hey, what's up guys, your boy Ivy, and today I'm back with another What's Inside video. And today in this video I'll be taking a look inside the Oraimo headset. This headset I've carried for a while now and it has proven to be a pain in the ass, and right now I want to check it out and see what kind of material it's made of. Oh, by the way, I like that carbon finish, and if you like this too, give it a thumbs up and grab a cup of tea and let's watch. First thing first, let's pull out the rubber cushion, and now we can grab my cutter so we can slice the piece through it like that. Boom, we are inside. And now, as you can take a look inside, that's way too simple. Simplicity of making. And now let's open that metal pry to pry out that, I don't know how, the casing. Need to pull out that casing. It's proving to be a little hard there. Boom, it's out. It looks crazy inside here, and you can see from that sticky glue, that's way too much, and it's oversimplified. I don't know, I thought I would find some complicated like the Samsung that I tore down last time. So let's open the cup and see what's inside there, what's hiding beneath the coil and the corn, all those kind of things. Boom, we have it open. And here, be careful with that corn not to pinch it out or tear it, because I'll still be putting back this together, and you can see how shiny that looks like. Oh, it's such a nice coil, but I love it. But I still don't know why it would sound so crazy like it did when I first tested it, but I think I get the idea here now. The coil is that diaphragm is way too small, not that to the standard how it should look like. The Samsung that I tore down last week, and the coil is kind of familiar to the Samsung headset that I tore down last time, similar mostly like to the bass. But I won't lie, this thing has got a nice bass to it, but also sounds like crap. So if you guys want to check it out, it will be linked down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook as Chan Ivan, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. It does help me a lot. Peace out. See you next time.